Students, in previous video we have learned about intersecting line, coincident line, parallel line and their relations. Now in this one we will start our new exercise, that is 3.1. Okay, before starting 3.1 I would like to show this exercise from your book. See, this is your exercise 3.1 and this one only we are going to solve now. First question, Aftab went tell his daughter 7 years ago, this one. Second question is the coach of the cricket team buy 3 bats and 6 ball. And the last one is the cost of 2 kilogram apples and 1 kilogram of grape, this one. And this is given in your book. You should have your book, NCERT book, and we will solve these only. Let's start. First question I'm reading now, and the first question is, Aftab tell his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. Graphically representation we have already learned in previous class, also in class 9. So let's try to solve this one. See question, according to question, Aftab and daughter. Let's present age we will take from our side. This is question number 1. Let present age of Aftab be X years and his daughter is be Y years, right? Aftab is X and daughter is Y year old, right? Now we have two cases, before 7 years and after 3 years. So according to question, before 7 years, the case 1, we have first case. Before 7 years Aftab age will be, now this is X year old, so before 7 years he will be X minus 7 years, X minus 7, and his daughter, that will be, now she is Y year old, it means before 7 years Y minus 7, right? Now if we want to make them equal, what to do? According to this equation or this situation, Aftab was 7 times old than daughter. He was 7 times. For making them equal we will have to multiply this one by 7, right? Yes. So now what to do here? Just multiply them and try to make equation. This will be X minus 7 is equal to 7 multiplied by Y equal 7Y minus 7 7 ja 49, right? When we will solve, what will come? By transposing X minus 7Y plus 42 is equal to 0. This mark it equation number 1. Similarly in second case, case 2. In case 2 what is given? In case 2 it is given after 3 years, means Aftab will be X plus 3 year old and the daughter will be Y plus 3 year old, right? If she is now Y year old. According to question, he will be 3 times who? Aftab, means we have to multiply 3 so that we can make them equal. This is the balancing, the sign, equal sign is the balancing sign, both sides should be equal. So now X plus 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by Y is equal to 3Y and 3 3s are 9. So when we will solve this, X by transposing minus 3Y, and this 9 also will come in this side, so minus 9, 3 minus 9 is equal to minus 6 is equal to 0. Mark it equation number 2, right? This is equation number 2. Now what we will do, from equation 1 and 2 we will make table means we will find value of x and y separately. So here I am taking equation number 1 and equation number 2 I will write here, and for them we will find points. Okay, so for first equation, from this one what can we write here? I'm just making here table for first equation. This is equation for first, this is table for first one equation, and this is table for second equation, right? From equation 1 I'm writing here this. From here this y will be equal to, see, when I will transpose here this 7y in this side, so this will be x plus 42, right? So this will be equal to, y will be equal to x plus 42 upon 7, right? This 7 we will divide. This is the y from this equation. And here from second equation what can we write here? Y is equal to x minus 6 upon 3. Why x minus 6? X minus 6 here, this 3y by transposing will go in that side, and 3 we will divide here. So this will come x minus 3 or 6 upon 3, right? Now see what to do here. We will put value one by one. Here suppose x equal 0. I'm just making this table. This is x and this is y. If I will take x equal 0 here, if this is 0, then this will become 0, and 42 divided by 7, x equals 0, then this will be 6. 7 6 are 42, right? Suppose x equals 7. This is 7. 7 plus 42 equal 49, and 49 divided by 7 is equal to 7 only. When x equals 7, y also equal to 7. Now see, if suppose I am taking this x equal minus 7. Minus 7 I will write here. Okay, by taking this what will happen? What will happen here? What will come? Minus 7. Then 42 minus 7 is equal to 35, and 7 5 to 35, so 5 will come. This is the solution for first equation. For second one, let's do here. This is the value of x and this is the value of y. Let's see. If I will put here x equal 0. If I will take x equal 0, then y will be equal to, this is 0, so minus 6 upon 3 will be equal to minus 2. Similarly, next one more we can take. If I will take x equals 6, 6 minus 6 equals 0, this whole is 0. It means when we will take here 6, then value of y will be 0. It's enough. Okay. Now representation of the same graphically. This is algebraically, this one, and this one algebraically, and now graphically. Graphically means we should have a graph paper, but we don't have now, so we are using this paper only. So what to do here? Just draw. This is y-axis I will take as y-axis, and this one I will take as x-axis. Okay. Now we will write some points here. Here 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. Okay. Similarly in left hand side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and minus 7. Like this we can write here also. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. Here same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one 6, and this one 7. Same here also, negative side, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, and -8. It will also be continue, right? Now put this value, try to understand it carefully. Now we have some values of these two equations. For first equation I have 0 and 6, this one, it from equation number 1, 0 and 6, x equals 0 and y equals 6, this point will come here, this is 0 and 6. Next is 7 and 7, means x is 7 here and y is 7, this is x and y 7, 7, and this is also 7, so this will come here, approx. We don't have graph paper, so it will come approx here. Next point, for next equation, this is 0 and -2, so x is 0 and y is -2, this will come here. And next is 6 and 0, this is 6 and 0, x is 6 and y is 0. This, when we will join these 2 points, we can make a line, a straight line. See, this will be a straight line, this one a straight line, and here also this will be a straight line when we will join these points like this. These two lines are there. See, these are not parallel, they will meet to each other in this direction, they will meet at a point, and that will be the solution of this one. This is graphical representation. If you want to show, we will have to take this gap little bit big, right? 1, 2, at the place of 1, 2 we can write here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, like this also, means different scale we will take, a big scale we will take, then it will be easy to show. Okay, like this we have to do this such type of question. Now let's take next question. Next question is question number 2. I'm reading the question first and then we will solve this. Okay, we will try to solve all questions of this exercise. Only 3 are there now only. Okay, now see question number 2 of the same, of 3.1. Question number 2 is, I'm just reading, listen carefully, one time I will read. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later she buys another bat, means 1 bat, and 3 ball of the same kind for rupees 1,300. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. The same question is there, same type is there actually. So now for this question, again we will write at the cost of 1 bat and ball, let the cost of 1 bat be rupees X and cost of 1 ball be rupees Y, right? 1 bat is X rupees, 1 ball is Y rupees. Now case 1, again according to question, case 1, the cost of 1 bat is X rupees, then 3 bat will be equal to 3X, and cost of 1 ball is Y rupees, then 6 will be equal to 6Y, and their total cost is equal to given 3900 rupees, right? If we will divide this both side by 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, and here also. So this will be equal to 3x plus 2y is equal to 1300. This is equation number 1 I am marking here. And the case 2, second case is, that is 1 bat and 3 ball. So 1 bat means 1x plus 3 ball means 3y, and this is also equal to 1300. This is equation number 2. Now again we have two equations. Can we solve by the same method as we have done last question, right? So now for both of them I will make table for this equation number 1 and here for equation number 2. So one table I am making here for this equation number 1. X plus 2y is equal to 1300. Here I will solve for this question, right? This will I will put here value of x and here y. And for second one, this is x plus 3y is equal to 1300. For this one I will make here second table, and second table here also this is x and y. So this is 1300. Sorry. Now let's solve. Here x equal, if I will take 0, then y will be equal to, if I will take x equal 0, then we will divide by 2 also. So what will come here? 650. And same here, suppose x equal I will take 300. Okay, why I took 300? I will subtract 300, then it will be 1000, right? So by transposing 1000, and 1000 divided by 2 is equal to 500, right? In opposite side, suppose this one I have taken x equal 1300, this one 1300. If this is 1300, then 1300 minus 1300 is equal to 0, and divide by 3, that also will be 0. So y will be 0. And similarly x if equal to 700. So 1300 minus 700, I am just taking here 700, and 1300 minus 700 is equal to 400, right? Not 400. This is divisible by 600, na? And this is 700. 1300 minus 700 is equal to 6. So what will come? 600, and 600 divided by 3 is equal to 200. So 200 will come here, right? This was the question number 2. Similarly, as in last question we have done, here also you can make a graph and on graph paper, and you may show these two lines, and you can show graphically also. Show this graphically also. Okay, show this graphically also. Now let's see last question. For last question also I will make a equation, and you will try to solve yourself. We will solve here, but you will try to make a graph. Okay. Now see, number 3 question is, listen carefully. The cost of 2 kilogram apple and 1 kilogram of grapes on a day was found to be 160 rupees. After a month, the cost of 4 kilogram apple and 2 kilogram grapes is 300. Same, represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. So algebraically means equation we have to form, and geometrically means graph paper. On graph we will have to form graph. So now let's do this one also. Let cost of 1 kilogram apple, 1 kilogram apples be rupees X, and cost of 1 kilogram grapes be rupees Y, right? So here again two cases are there. According to case 1, 2 kilogram apple and 1 kilogram grapes. So as last question we have done 2x plus y will be equal to 160. Mark the equation number 1. And according to case 2, in case 2, 4x plus 2x is equal to 300, because here given 4 kilogram apple and 2 kilogram grapes. So this is equation number 2, right? For this one also you may solve accordingly. Again we have two equations. Make table. This is geometrically, and you will have to show graphically also. So here make table, find the value of x and y and show graphically, right? Okay, this is the way to solve. This was a 3.1, and 3.1 in this one 3 questions were there only. We have finished all 3 questions. Let's try to do in 3.2 question number 1 also. Okay, in question 3.2 question number 1, I'm just going to read this. First I will show you what is question number 1 of 3.2. This is question number 1 and 2 of exercise 3.2. One is form a linear equation for the following problem and find their solution graphically. First one is 10 students of the class 10 took part in mathematics quiz, and the second one is 5 pencil and 7 pen together. And the second question of the same is on comparing the ratio a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2, find whether the line are representing intersecting type, parallel type or coincident type. So we will solve this one by one. So we will do in this video only first question. Okay, from second question we will make a new, in next video we will see. And for understanding this one you will have to see previous video also, so that we can understand it properly. Now see in 3.2 question number 1 I am reading. Listen it carefully. And first question is of the first one. 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Okay, now first we will make linear equation in 2 variable. So according to situation, let the number of boys be x and number of girls be y. So according to question, the sum of boys and girls is given 10, because 10 students are there. So can we write like this, x plus y is equal to 10, right? And second case, this is case 1, right? Case 1. And according to second case, case 2, that is number of girls means y is 4 more than the boys, means this will be equal to x plus 4. This one is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2, right? From 1 and 2 when we will solve, I'm just making again table. X plus y is equal to 10. For this one I will make table here. In M2 solution we will 2 or 3 solution we will find. And for second equation, that is y is equal to x plus 4. For this one I am making table here. Try to understand this. I'm just going to solve these equations. This is x and here y, here also x and y I have taken. Okay, now if I will take x equal 4, okay, then y will be equal to 10 minus 4. I will take x equal 4, then y will be equal to 6. Take here values, and what you want you can take, but take in such a way so that it will be easy to make graph also, because we are going to make graph for the same. If I will take x equals 6 suppose, then 10 minus 6 equal 4, so y will be equal to 4. Suppose I will take here 3, x equal 3, so 10 minus 3 equal, y will be equal to 7. Okay, in table only we will find solution. Here x equals suppose 0, then y will be equal to, this is 0, then y will be equal to 4, right? If x equal 2, I will take 2 plus 4, y will be equal to 6. If x equal 3, I will take, try to take the same 3. If x equal 3, 3 plus 4 equals 7. Now see from both of the equation, we have two equation here, and see from both the equation 3 upon 7 and 3 upon 7. In both of the case these are same. This is only the solution. These equation are intersecting type and this is the solution. Means x equal 3 and y equal 7 solution are the solution of these two equations. This is geometrically. Let's see graphically. Graphically same thing. Let's make a graph here. Small graph I'm going to make here. The same divide, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Enough, because we have greatest number 7. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And same here also, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6, minus 7. Right? Let's try to find this point. For first equation, x equal 4 and y equal 6. 4 and 6. This is 4 and y equals 6. This point will be find here. See, it will approx first point, right? Second point, 6 and 4. So this is 6 and this is 4. It will be approx here. When you will make on graph paper, exact you will find. Third one, 3 and 7. X is 3 and y is 7. It will be approx here, right? Means this line will be like this. This will be a straight line because this is a linear equation. This is straight line we will get. First line we got. Second line. Now see 0 and 4. X is 0 and y is 4. So this is 0. X is 0 here and y is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 it is here. First point. 2 and 6. This is 2 and this one 6. Second point, this one. 3 and 7. This is 3 and 7. See the same point again came. We got 2 times. This is the solution, right? Intersecting line, and this is the solution. If we will join them, again we will get a straight line, right? And this is the solution of these two equations. This is the way to solve. Okay, last question of this video of this session I'm going to do, that is question number 2 of 3.2. Second question is 5 pencil 7 pen together cost is 50 rupees and 7 pencil 5 pen together cost 46 rupees. Find the cost of 1 pencil and 1 pen. Let's try to solve this one also. Suppose cost of 1 pen be, let's take x only. Okay, let's take x. Let cost of 1 pencil be rupees x and cost of one pen be rupees y, right? So according to question, when you will see question in your book, according to that only we are doing cost of 5 pencil and 7 pen. It means as we have done in previous also, 5x plus 7y, their sum will be equal to 50 rupees. This one is equation number 1 we can take, and this is case 1. And case 2, for case 2, 7x plus 5y will be equal to 46, because here 7 pencil and 5 pens are given. So this is equation number 2. Now here let's solve. Here we will take equation from equation number 1, and here from equation number 2. Now see, from equation number 1, what will come? When we will transpose this one, 50 minus 5x, and this 7 we will divide. It means y will be equal to 50 minus 5x upon 7, right? And this side, this is the for first equation. From the first equation and from second equation, when we will find the value of y will be equal to, by transposing, 46 minus 7x upon divide by 7. This is from equation number 2, right? Now can we make table for the same of the solutions? This one for the first one, x and y, and this is for second one. Here also x and y, like this. Okay, now see, when we will put x equal, put in such a way so that it is easy for you for in calculation. Suppose 3 I will take. 5 3 is 15. 50 minus 15 is equal 35, and 7 5 is 35, means 5 will come. When you will solve, you will get. Here I will take minus 4. Minus 4 multiply by minus 5. 5 4 is 20, right? Sorry. If x equal minus 4, 5 4 is 20, and 50 minus 20 is equal to 30. So no, plus will come na. So suppose I will take here minus 4. So minus 4 multiply by minus 5 is equal to 5 4 is 20, plus 20 will come, and 50 plus 20 is equal to 70. So 10 will come, right? 7 10 is 10 20. And here also we will try to solve. X equals, suppose I am taking 3. 7 3 is 21, and 46 minus 21 is equal to 25. 25 divided by 5. Here 5 should come na. Yes, 5 is there. This is 5, not 7. Okay, so when divided by 5, what will come? 5 will come. And if you will take 8, 8 7 is 56. 46 minus 56 is equal to minus 10, and divide by 5 is equal to minus 2. Now these are solution. Now can you make table for the same? Not table. Can you show the graphically? Yes, we can show. So show it graphically also. Okay. Also, if you are new, if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe it and share with your friends. Thank you. In next video we will solve next questions of 3.2, and we will try to finish in the same video. Thank you.